Nowadays we record more than ever, but I think we share more meaningfully less. And I would like to encourage you that if you're recording on your phone all kinds of clips, photographs, but they're sitting on up in the cloud or in your phone, do something with them. Learn to use Final Cut Pro. Learn to use Premiere. Use one of these video editing softwares. Use iMovie on your phone and make a compilation of those photos and those clips. Maybe add some subtitles. Make your thoughts known. And then those are going to be memories that you can then look back upon and share those with those family members that mean something to you. I'm going to show you an example I have of something that I had done when my brothers and I went ice fishing. And, we're all aging, and I would like to think that at some point later in life, I'm going to look back and be glad that I've got this memory of when I went with my brothers to ice fish. It was nothing epic about it except that we were sharing time together and having just some good brotherly laughs. And we haven't seen much of each other over the many years. And so that's why this movie that I put together, I really enjoy it. And I was trying to make it kind of fun, harkening back to an old movie called Ice Station Zebra, which I was a kid, and submarine that comes up underneath with Cold War innuendo and the whole business. It was one of those movies that meant a lot to me when I was a kid. So I just was trying to have some fun with it. And I'm going to have you just watch it. You tell me what you think. I know you don't know me or my brothers, but I thought you might enjoy it and maybe get some inspiration for yourself.
I usually follow the patches of white just because I don't want to get caught on the glare. So we're at about 9 or 10 feet, and what we're looking for, what they call marks, and marks are your fish. So we're looking for activity down here. I have a split screen, so I have the old-fashioned flasher, and then I have one that will let you see if there are fish going by or anything. When I told you about hole hopping, it's one of those things where you can drill a hole here, there, and whatever, and then you just take your rod and start to bob and see if anything likes it, if they're hitting. What I can do is I can zoom in now right to where we are, and this will give us a topography of what we're over right now. yeah. Haven't caught a fish yet, but we're at least enjoying a good
Some
lunch.
sausage. This is
Everything's working out. We've got
nice heater.
things going here. Jim's enjoying.
Thank you. Yeah,
And
tastes good.
I'm eating my lunch, and we're waiting for the fish to come around, but
Fish.
they don't seem to be hungry.
I mean, John keeps having this. John's delusional. He keeps thinking there are fish here. Anyway, we've got sausage, which is
we
good.
did see the fish.
That's
go
true. We
by.
did see the fish. It's there.
We saw him go by.
Jeez.
So there you go. It was just something fun, and I know they enjoyed it. I know I'm going to enjoy it for years to come, and I hope you got some inspiration out of it. And I will tell you that this is something I've noticed with my son and my daughter. They're both, in their 20s. They have basically lived their lives, their adult young lives, recording videos and photos. My son just got married, and on their honeymoon have tons of videos from their honeymoon and clips, I guess I should say. And, even there, you should probably try to compile those into something cohesive. And I may turn around and try to do it for them. And I think it's something that's worth doing. It's nothing new. I know people have done it in the past, but I think it's not as prevalently being done. I hope this just gave you some inspiration, and I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a good evening. Take care.